Also on standby during these dangerously cold temperatures, HVAC contractors. They are preparing for a surge in emergency calls. Experts say a few simple checks right now could help families avoid breakdowns and stay warm. That includes sealing gaps around doors and windows, checking heating elements, and making sure carbon monoxide detectors are working, especially in homes with gas heat. Do what you can now, but if you need a professional, don't wait to call, as HVAC crews will be busy.
We do everything we can to try and take care of the customer the best way that we can. And that's the reason why we try and tell everybody to get ahead of the game. Don't be part of the 1,000 people that are gonna be calling next week, wanting us, thinking that we're just sitting at home not doing nothing, and we got time to jump up and go, because I promise you, it's gonna get crazy.
Yeah, great tips for your home. And don't forget to take care of your business or office space too.
A grim but important reminder: in the 2021 winter storm, hundreds of Texans died just trying to stay warm. Now, the State Fire Marshal's office has tips on heating your home safely. Don't use your oven to heat your home. Plug in space heaters directly to wall outlets, not extension cords or power strips. Turn off heaters when you leave the room or go to sleep, and never run a portable generator in your home or your garage, even if your doors and windows are open. That also includes staying in a running car. You should not park in the garage. This could cause carbon monoxide poisoning.